Let's review the Reduce Cold1 40-ounce mug. This is an insulated mug. One of the few of the things that I like about this one, it has a straw sip. It's got a great handle. As part of this review, I'm going to do three things for you. Number one, we're going to see if it fits inside of a cup holder. This is a cup holder coming out of my car. We're also going to see if it fits inside of a standard size stroller. And number two, this is a digital thermometer. We're going to check to see for 12 hours how cold it keeps the water. So let's first talk about the features of the Reduce Cold1 40-ounce mug. It says 40 hours cold. Online, you might find that it says 34 hours cold. So somewhere between 30, 40 hours cold. It will keep it cold. It's got a nice cup holder. Looks pretty good. A few things, unique things about it. Taking the lid off is fairly easy in comparison to some of the other ones. The straw is made of plastic, not stainless steel, which means kids might potentially chew on it, but just know that it is made out of plastic. Here's the other piece too. If you want to get rid of the straw and you'd rather sip, you'd flip this little piece up like this. You push that down, and now you can sip through this hole right here, just like that. You can sip your drink that way. Some folks like to use the straw, so we're going to do put the straw back in just like this. You slide it right to the bottom where this piece right here hits the bottom. So one of the other unique features about this one, inside, as you can see, it has the markings of measurements of water. So this one right here, this is 32 ounces. If you look further down, there's 24 ounces. Goes all the way down to the bottom, which is 16 ounces. And then the bottom, the smallest one is 8 ounces, which is that way at the bottom there, but it has marks. So if you're keeping track of your water or your intake of specifically a beverage or what have you, you can keep track with this, and it has it in there. If you like to throw ice in there and water, these lines don't mean anything to you, but if you're keeping track of your water, that is great. All right. One of the other unique features about this one here is that the handle is perfect. It's here on this side. You can spin it around. It's got it on this side as well. It's a little bit smaller than some of the other handles of the other ones, but overall, a good looking cup holder. Let's see if it fits, or let's see if it fits inside of the cup holder. Here we are. Here's my cup holder. As you can see, this is the small side and the big side. Most cars have a smaller and a bigger one. Let's take a look, see if it fits in the small. It's kind of snug, maybe barely fits in there. Let's take a look at the big. Look at that. Fits perfectly in there. It fits inside of the cup holder, inside of my car. This is great. Now let's take a look to see if it fits inside of the stroller. Here we are, Reduce Cold1 40-ounce mug. It says that it fits in most cup holders. Let's take a look. This is a standard size stroller. It does not fit in your standard size strollers. So it may fit in the large size of the cup holder inside of your car, but it does not fit in the large standard size cup holder here. Now for the real test. The Reduce Cold1 40-ounce mug says 40 hours cold. Let's test it. We have 2 cups of ice and water and a thermometer. It's about 77 degrees in my house. Let's see how cold this water is right now. It says 52. Let's call it 45. Let's call it 46. Between 45 and 46. It is 9:50 on Monday the 28th. Right now it's 45.5. We'll say that. We're going to check it in 12 hours. We are back at it. It is 9:48 the next day, Tuesday the 29th. Last night for the Reduce Cold1, we got the temperature at 52.5 to 52.9 at 9:48 p.m. Let's take a look and see what the temperature is. Off with the lid. And inside my house, it's 72.3. I put it inside, and it says, still going down, 52 point, still going down. Let's call it 51. So 51, it actually is colder. Now it's 51. It's a little bit colder, so it's kept the water about the same within 12 hours. So the Reduce Cold1 has kept the water cold inside of this thermal tumbler over 12 hours.